Daw, Okay, Okay, what is this? Very good. What's this? Apple. Ay, kabagal. This one? What's this? Alam niya to. Ambulance. Next. Okay, next. What is this? Okay, This is tama, B. Ano to? What's that? Ball? This one? Very good. This one? Balloons. Good job. Next. This one is letter C. C is for and this is candles. This one? Chicken. This one? Carrot. This one? Cake. Very good. Next is letter. What letter is this? What letter? Alam niya. What is this? Aroy, inaantok. This is drum. Drum. This is dog. This one. What is this? What's that first? This one muna. This one. What is this? Ay, hindi ganyan. Dito. Ay nako, yung sa akin na.
Sa kanya
This one. Ano nga yun? Yung kwak, kwak, kwak. What yun yan? Wala ka naman sa focus. Adak. Ay, ayusin na.
Ay, sit down properly.
Duck.
Sit down properly yan.
Duck. Very good. How about this one? What is this? What letter is this? E. Good job. What is this?
Hula mo yan ngayon.
What's this? Very good. This one? Elephant. Very good. This one? Envelope. This one? Plant. Okay, eggplant. Very good. How about this one? What is this? What letter is this? This one. What letter is this?
Ganda is this.
This one? Flower. Good job. This one? Fish. Fence. Frog. Good job. How about this one? What letter is this? Galing. Letter G is letter. I is. This is ano yan? What's this? Grapes. This one? Guitar. This one? Gift box. Good job. Letter? What letter is this? What letter? Nakaganyan kasi. Ano yan? Ano yan? Anong letter yan to? What letter is this first? H. H is for? Good job. What is this? Oh, what's in the picture? What's in the picture? This is a house. Good job. Hippo. Dito siya nakatingin. Hippo. And this one is? Hat. Good job. hammer. Okay, next letter.
Alam mo yung hipo
Next
ah.
is letter. What letter is this? What letter is this? What letter is this first? This one. E. E daw. Ang sounds lang ang ginaano niya eh. Okay, what letter is this? I. Good job. This one is? Ice. Island.
Yummy.
Ice cream. Igloo. Okay, next. Next letter is letter. What letter is this? J. J is for This is a beans. Jelly beans. This one? Jug. Jelly pa rin. And this one is? Jellyfish. Okay, next is letter. What letter is this? K. K is fork. This is? What's this? Kettle. Say kettle. Ayos mo muna. Kettle. This one? Good job. This one? Knife. This one? Keyboard. Keyboard po yan. Okay, next one. This one is letter L. Oh. Oh. Okay. And this is a... What is this? What's that? This one. This one? Yes, very good. This one? Very good. This one? Lamp.
Nice.
Hindi, light. Light ang makita niya. Light, tama naman eh. Lamp. Okay, next one. Oh, ay, tinatamad na. Sit down lang. Sit down. We're not yet done. How about this one? What letter is this? M. What's the sound of M? Okay. So, this is a magnet. This one?
Alam mo yan. Mermaid.
Mermaid. This is? Moon. Good job. This one? Galing. Mushroom. Alam niya. Okay, next. What letter is this? N. What's the sound of N? And letter N is E. This is? What are these? Ano to? What are these? These are numbers. Say numbers. 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 This one naman. This one. This one. What's this? Huwag ka kumanta muna. Ito muna. Ito pa. Ito. What is this?
Ay,
This
focus.
is a... What is this? This is a... Very good. This one? Very good. Notes. This one? This one? This one?
Net.
Net. Net. Okay, next number is... next letter is... What is this? Oh! Oh! And this is an... Oh, this one? Orange. This one? Good job. This one? Very good. Yeah. High five. High five. Yeah. Next. Next letter is letter P. Yes. What's the sound of P? Yes. What is this?
Alam mo yan.
Pumpkin. Next. Pumpkin. This one?
Ay, sabi mo muna, pumpkin. Ayan o, saan pumpkin dyan?
Very good. This one? Here daw, tama. This one? Panda. This one? Yes? Palette. Next letter is letter
Paint daw, sabi.
Q. Ano nga yung sound ng Q? And this is a what's that? What's that? Queen. Again, ayusin mo. Queen.
What is this?
This is Quetzal.
Ay,
And this is a very good quilt. Next is letter. What is this? R. What is the sound of letter R? Rrr. Rrr. And this is a. What is this? Yes, rattle. This one? Huh? Ano daw? Balloon boy yan. What's this?
what's this? This one. What's this? This one.
Rain? Very good. This one? Rose. Ang galing. Ang galing naman ni Rian. Very good naman yung batang yan. Next. Next is letter. What letter is this? Hinaantok na. Anong letter to? What letter is that? S. What is the sound of letter S? S. 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 This is a... Huh? Sandals. Okay, this is a... Sun. This one? Star. This one? Very good naman ni Rian. Good job talaga. Okay, next letter is letter. What letter is this? T. What is the sound of letter T? And this is a... What is this? What is this, Rian? Rian, look first. This one. Target. This one. Tree. This one. Very good. Train. The next letter is letter. What letter is this? What is this? What letter is this? U. U. At anong sound ng U? Ah. Ah. And this is a. And what's this? What is this? This one first. This one. What is this? Very good. This one? Utensils. Utensil. And this one is? Oh, di pa tayo tapos. Di pa tayo tapos. Next. Ay, tamad na. U-turn. It's a U-turn. It's a U-turn. This one? Okay, next letter is letter. Kunti na lang. V. What is the sound of letter V? Tama yun. Yung sinabi mo kanina. And this is a? Ano daw? What's that? Ano daw? Vase.
Ano vacuum?
Vase. This one. Akala niya vacuum. This one? Yes. This is? Vulture. This is?
Van.
Van. And this is? Vine. Okay, next. The next letter is letter W. What is the sound of W? Oh. Whoa. And this is a one. Good job. This one? Watermelon. Watermelon. Is this your favorite? Watermelon. And this one? Very good. This one.
Window.
Good job. Bye-bye. Next letter is letter. What letter is this? X. And this is a
Xylophone.
very good. Xylophone. This is Xmas. Hindi niya alam yan. Alam niya kay Xmas tree. Next is
Escapade.
very good. Good job, Rian. I love you. Next letter is letter
W.
W.
Tapos na yan?
Ay, tapos na pala tayo, no? This one na tayo. Letter Y. Okay, what is the sound? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is a... What's this?
Yo-yo.
This is a... Yo-yo. And this is... Very good. This one is... Yun din yung yellow. Ano yan? Yogurt. And this is a... Yarn. This one. Yarn. Very good. Next. The last letter is letter Z. What is the sound of letter Z? Z. And this is a... This is... No, this one. This one, what's this? Zigzag. This one? Alam mo? Zucchini. And this one? Zero. And this one is? Very good.